All right, today we are going to learn and practice linear equations in two variables. So like I always say, first things first, we need to memorize our terms. So when we are working with graphing, this whole area is called what? It's a two-dimensional surface called a plane, P-L-A-N-E. Now, in order to graph, we're going to use something. I'll just pick any two numbers. Okay. Name that for me. Okay, that is called an ordered pair or coordinate pair because we're going to find the coordinates of where we're going to place our dot. This whole coordinate system is called the rectangular coordinate system. It's also called the Cartesian plane. Now, on the Cartesian plane, we've got the line going up and down and the line going left to right. What is the line going up and down called? Okay, you should have said y. That is our y-axis. Now the line going left and right, it's called x, our x-axis. Okay, now when we have our ordered pair, tell me which of these is your x value. Okay, I hope you said 2 because the first number is always your x. So of course the second number, process of elimination, will be y. It's always x, y. Okay, alphabetical order, that may help you. There is a quote-unquote fancier term for the x. It's called the abscissa, and the y is called the ordinate. Okay? Now, if we had an ordered pair of 0, 0, so that means that we are starting in the center here and we're not moving. This has a name. Okay, you should have thought or said origin. So 0, 0 is the origin. And you see how we've got 1, 2, 3, 4? Those are called quadrants. Quarters, they're called quadrants. Think of quad, that usually stands for 4. If you like going on ATVs, four-wheelers, they're called quads. Quadrant. Okay, now, in order to number the quadrants, we don't use Arabic numbers, which is our typical 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the numbers we use. We use Roman numerals. So this is quadrant 1. Okay. Now, can you remember which way do you go for 2? Should I go down? Should I go left? Diagonal, I don't think that crossed your mind at all. Okay, so we're going to go counterclockwise. So this is quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Okay, so now let's graph our 2, 4 coordinate. Okay, so you can see I'm counting by 2s, 2, 4, 6. That's just to save time when you're drawing your graphs. You don't have to do every single number because you are going to start getting into larger numbers. So it's just going to take too much time if you're having to go all the way out to say 30 and you're writing every number 1 through 30. So you can do every 2 for now. Okay, so I've got 2. So which way am I going to go? I'm going to go left, right, up, down. Remember, it's your x, so we're definitely going to go left or right. But it's positive. Positive, you go right. So we're at 2, but you can't draw your dot yet because we need to go our y, okay, which is positive 4. So as you can see, our positive are going up, our negative are going down. So I'm going to go up to 4. And there you go, and that's 2, 4. So normally what you'll do is you'll also write the coordinates right next to where you drew the dot, okay? Your ordered pair. Okay, and that is about it for today. Tomorrow we will continue more about your linear equations in two variables.